This is the 2023 Cherokee Wolfpack 315Pack12 fifth wheel toy hauler. This unit has a dry weight of 11,220 pounds. GVWR is 14,260 pounds, giving you a cargo capacity of 3,040 pounds. Hitch weight on this unit is 2,260 pounds. This unit is 40 feet 7 inches. Freshwater tank is 96 gallons. Black water is 38 gallons. Gray water is 38 gallons. Your awning length is 21 feet. The Wolfpack gives you a heated underbelly and closed holding tanks. You do have generator prep on this unit with 50 amp service, a 15,000 BTU AC, and a 35,000 BTU furnace. Hi guys, Jevon with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to walk through the Cherokee Wolfpack 315Pack12. The front cap here, you can see, does come with some nice LED docking lights, when you're setting up, tearing down, or just want a little extra light at your campsite. You got your one propane tank on this side, second tank on the other side. Got a nice big pass-through storage here, gives you plenty of storage space. Does give you some tie downs there as well to secure your cargo while transporting. Got your exterior speakers with LED lighting, and then you also have LED lights on your awning. A nice full-length awning that's going to cover your main entry plus your rear entry door. Got a nice little outside kitchen here, 2-burner stove, and then they give you a little basin here as well. Ice maker makes it nice for those cold drinks in the middle of the summer, and then you do have your outside mini fridge there as well. Cherokee already puts the TV mount on the outside here for you, so you can have some outside entertainment if you wanted. Here's going to be your second exterior speaker. You'll see your controller down here for your power stabilizer jacks, and then they give you a nice leash tether here at the rear. There's also another one up by your outside kitchen as well. So let's take a look inside. So here we are in the kitchen. Get a nice, residential style faucet here, and then a single, nice wide sink basin for you as well. Get your 3-burner stove, oven just below that, and then you also get microwave above your stove. Nice size, residential size refrigerator here. Plenty of storage space for your food. And then you get cabinets above all of that as well. Across from the kitchen is going to be your booth dinette. Of course, that also is going to lay down into a bed. A nice spot for a smaller child for sleeping space. Beside your booth dinette, you're going to get your theater seating here. Going to give you heated seats. Some massage vibration as well, and then some accent lighting, and then you do have your storage at the armrest here for TV remotes and such. Cherokee does really nice with their zebra blinds, so you can let in as much or as little light as you want. Makes it really nice to be able to adjust that. So across from your theater seating, you've got your entertainment area, some cabinets up above, and then here's where you would mount your TV. As you can see, your TV hookups, outlets as well. And then you've got your nice electric fireplace there below. Take that chill off of those cooler mornings. We'll go up the steps here, check out the bathroom. Nice little access, gives you, of course, your toilet there with plenty of knee space, and then a nice corner shower. Gives you some nice hooks for towels and whatnot, and then a nice size medicine cabinet above your sink, and then a little bit of storage there below the sink as well. And then this bathroom does have 2 entries, so you can take the entry from the bathroom right into the bedroom here. So you get a nice walk around bed here, access on both sides, some storage up above, and then you've got some closet space on both sides with space to be able to hang some clothes and whatnot. Makes it very nice for you. At the foot of the bed, you're going to have a nice little cabinet space and shelf where you can place yet another TV. You've got your TV hookups there as well. So what do you say we go check out the garage on this toy hauler? So here we are in the garage area. The garage does give you a nice space for some washer dryer prep there if you wanted to place a washer dryer combo in here. And then you do have prepped for a Furrion observation camera if you need to keep an eye on your toys back here. Get 2 bench seats. These are going to be on the electric track, so you can lower those, use those as benches, or as you can see, can also use them as a sleeping space. And then above that, you do have another bunk area for additional sleeping as well. So this is the Wolfpack's 3-season door. Gives you screens as well as glass. You can hang out in the garage area, still get a nice little breeze through, but if it's raining or something, you can get a little bit of protection from that. But those will slide open, and then Cherokee does give you the nice little party deck with railing here as well. That way nobody goes falling off and getting hurt and not enjoying the camping trip, but is a great place to kind of hang out, especially if you're on a site that might be a little muddy or something. Still gives you a nice area to enjoy each other's company and everything. Guys, this has been the Cherokee Wolfpack. I've enjoyed going through it with you. If you have questions on it or any other unit, please feel free to give us a call. We look forward to talking to you. 877-877-4494. You can reach myself at extension 1000. Thank you for joining us today.